Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today we have a very fast and easy 10-minute back to school schedule dinner. This is one of those great meals that you can make without having to think or prep or saute. All you're doing is coming home from a long day after a hard day of work and just making this in the oven and in the microwave and getting it done under 10 minutes. Your kids, your family, or yourself will love yourself more for getting this done in no time and feeding your hungry tummy. I hope this is a blessing for you in your home.